Hi guys, today we will talk about how can you choose visible on your Roblox app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your Roblox app. So all you have to do is to just go down here, you click here on this sign down here, then it's going to take you here in this window. It's going to show for you like this, and you go down here, you click here on settings, then it's going to take you to next window here. And all you have to do now, so just click here on account info, then you come here to next window, so just hold on second to show for you. And all you have to do now, so waiting, so just to open video here. And all you have to do when it's going to open video like this now, so you just go down here, so you keep going down and you come here to visible here, you will click, then it's going to show for you like this. And here you choose visible you want to add or visible to here, and like friends, and it's going to add with you. That's all. Thank you for your watch. And before I forget, you just click here on save, and it's going to add with you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.